Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, did you all complete this example? Yesterday there was some network problem. We had completed till there. The root lies between 1.8 and 1.9. Completed? Hello, can you see the screen? Am I audible?
Ma'am, voice is too low.
Laptop. See, can you hear me? So whether this yesterday's example you have
And
completed.
your voice
What happened?
Ma'am, it's too low.
is too much low.
Your voice is breaking. I'm not understanding what you are getting.
I can't hear you properly, ma'am.
Okay, I'm asking whether you have completed this yesterday's example. Fourth root of 12. We were doing the example fourth root of 12 and we have solved till the root lies between 1.8 1.9. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have given you value of a, b, f of a, f of b. I told you to solve x1, x2, x3. Whether anybody solved it? None of you out of 40 students who attended? Yeah. Okay, you should complete the example and be ready with the answers. No, only if I tell that time you will do. Hmm? Shall I give the answers? Will you try? I'll start with the new method.
Okay, ma'am.
So verify x1. x1 is equals to 1.8593. Write down. x2 is 1.8612. and S3 is 1.861. Okay. The question was to find correct up to 3 decimal places. So up to 3 decimal places, see x2 and x3. You have 861. Okay. So hence what we say, the final answer root of the equation, root of the given 1.861. Verify your answers later. Okay. I think so. Regular policy method is clear. Is there anything in this?
And they have asked till 4 decimal places, ma'am. Correct to 4 decimal places.
How many?
4 decimal places. Compute the fourth root of 12. Correct to
No.
4 decimal places.
I had made the correction, I think so, later as 3 decimals. No?
And it's fourth root.
If it is up to 4, yeah, fourth root of 12. And whether I have told to 3 decimals or 4 decimals. If 3 decimals, this is correct.
Okay, ma'am. Change, ma'am.
Then if you want the value up to 4 decimal places, means you can go for one more iteration and you will get the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
But see, when you are getting the values exact, actually it at third decimal, I mean x3, actually you will get x3 equals to 1.8612, and previously x2 also you have got it as 1.8612. Okay, so if you compare x2 and x3, okay, so write down today's new method what we are going to solve. The name given to this method is Newton-Raphson method. Okay. Okay, in this method also we locate an approximate real root of the given equation. And to improve the accuracy, we go for number of iterations. Okay. So directly we have got a formula here. The formula is given by first approximation. So you can say the first approximation. Right. If you want to write about this method, raphson method, what is this method? It is also used to locate an approximate root of given equation. Okay, so this purpose of this method is also same as that of regular policy method. Is it clear? And the first approximation denoted as x1 is given by x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. What is x naught?
First x. First.
Initial approximation. Okay, x naught, initial value. Then what we have to use, we have here in x1 we have made use of x naught. So can you tell me what will be the second approximation?
X1 is equals to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1.
x2 minus x1 minus f of x naught divided by x0 or x1?
x1.
x1 divided by f. Okay, so what is your observation? What all we require to solve this method?
First derivative.
Yeah.
First derivative.
Your voice is breaking.
X value and f of x values and then f dash of table.
Okay, so what is the meaning of f dash of x?
In second approximation, it is f of x0 divided by f dash of x1. Hello.
Hello.
I mean, second approximation, is it f of x1 divided by f dash of x1?
It's x1 only.
No, ma'am, above 1 in
Ab-
denominator.
Above 1 is also x1. So I will
Okay,
delete
ma'am.
and write it once more. It is also x1. So can you tell me one of this formula? If I want to write x nth value,
xn minus dash of xn minus 1 divided by f dash of xn minus 1.
okay, is it correct? So understood the generalization for any nth iterative, you have to take xn minus 1 minus f of xn minus 1 f dash of xn minus 1. So see here, you will be given a function. You will be given f of x. F of x is equation. So for this equation, what you are going to do is, what is this x naught? Can anybody tell what is x naught?
First value.
First
Initial.
value.
First it.
See
First
here,
it.
the process, excuse me, the process again will remain same. Okay, so you will find f of 0, f of 1, f of 2 and so on. Okay, so then you will be find the values such that f of a into f of b is less than 0. Okay, then you will find at what value of x, or whether the value is closer for A or whether it is closer for B, you will find. Okay, out of these two, you will find which is closer to what? Tell me. You will find f of a, whether value of f of a is closer to 0 or whether f of b is closer to 0. And at point the value is closer to 0, you will consider that point as x naught. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then at that particular point only, at that particular point you have to find what is value of the function at the point x naught. Then f of x is given, you find its derivative. That will be f dash of x. Then f dash of x, in the derivative you replace x by x naught. So all 3 points are clear. X naught, f dash of x naught. All are clear, I hope. Right? So
Yes.
with this, write the example. So find the real root of the equation. Write on first example. Find real root of the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. Correct to 3 decimals. Okay, tell me initial step, locate the root where it will lie and tell me. So consider f of x equals to x cube minus 2x minus 5. Let this be your equation. Tell me two values such that f of a into f of b is less than 0. Two consecutive values. Okay. Anybody doing? What is f of 0? F of 1.
Two and three.
2 and 3.
Two and three.
What are the values you are getting at 2 and 3?
Minus 1 and plus 16. Minus 1 and plus 16.
Okay. So you located your root, where the root lies between
2 and 3.
Okay, so write down. Therefore, f of 2 equals to how much? Minus 1. And f of 3 is equals to 16, implies f of 2 into f of 3 will be how much? Minus 1 into 16, which is minus 16, so less than 0. Therefore, write the root lies between 2, 3. And which value is closer to 0?
Minus 1.
Okay. So, and f of 2 equals to minus 1 is closer to 0. So, process till here, every will remain same. Therefore, what we consider x naught? Where the root lies in the neighborhood of 2. Also, you write f of 2 minus 1 is closer to 0. Therefore, root lies in neighborhood NVD of 2. Therefore, x naught equals to 2. Understood how to consider x naught?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Further, if you have got x naught, you can go for the first approximation. So write the formula first. What will be your first iteration? You can say first iteration or the first approximation, both are same. What is the formula? X1 is equals to x naught minus f of x naught divided by. Okay. Okay. Before this,
Ma'am,
with respect
ma'am,
substitute. Yes. Yes.
ma'am, yeah, x naught could also be taken as 3 also now, ma'am.
How much?
Ma'am, x naught is equal to 3.
No. You are going to take it as 2 because the value at 2, which is minus 1, okay, is
Yes.
closer to 0. This point only has to be considered as x naught and not 3.
Ma'am, but you take that if 2 is not near to 0 and 3 is near to 0, then I could take x naught is equal to 3. Then no, ma'am?
Yeah, at what point value of the function is closer to 0, that point you should consider. See, if you take 3 also no problem, but you will not get the answer in 1 or 2, 3 steps. Number of iteration will go on increasing. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is the function? What
X
is the
cube
function?
minus
The function is x cube minus 5. Okay. Then, what will be f of x naught? X naught is 2. So, put value of x equals to 2 in the equation. And you have got already f of 2. F of 2 means what? It is
1.
minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you will
Yes,
substitute for x naught. X naught. What about f dash? What about f dash of x naught? First of all, you will find derivative of the function. So, what is derivative of the given function f of x?
yes.
X cube derivative
3
3x square
minus 2.
minus 2 because
0.
x derivative is 1. Then what is constant derivative? 0. Therefore, what is f dash of x we are getting? It is 3x square minus
2.
2. Then what is meaning of f dash of x naught? We should find the value of f dash at the point x naught. So it is nothing but f dash derivative of the function and its value at the point x equals to 2. So this will be 2 square minus 2. So 3, 2 square is 4 minus 2, which will be how much? 12. Is it 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So after getting these all values, you can substitute here. Just therefore, write down x1 equals to x naught means
And can I
2
ask a question again, ma'am?
minus f dash.
Ma'am,
Yes. Hmm.
f dash x is a differentiation of fx, no, ma'am?
Hmm.
Then 2x should be simply 2, no, ma'am?
Then even I have written 2 only now. X derivative is 1 I have written in the bracket.
Okay, ma'am.
I have written it in detail. You are telling in shortcut. That's it.
Yes, I'm sorry, ma'am.
No, it's okay. Don't be sorry. Clear your doubts. Okay. So x1 equals to x naught means 2 minus you keep as it is. What is f of x naught? Is it minus? Oh, I should not write this. I should substitute. Okay. What is f of x naught?
Minus 1.
Minus of minus
It
1.
should be divided by f dash of x naught. How much? Okay.
N.
See this. Observe the equation. How it is written? F of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. It is only f of x naught divided by f dash, not the whole term x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. So please write the formula correct. While writing this division line, don't take it long like this. Understood? Is it clear? It will be wrong. What I said, is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So write the division term properly. Let me erase until that you calculate and answer me. Anybody got
2.11.
2.1.
2.11.
minus of minus is plus. 1 by 10 is 0.1. So 2 plus 0.1 is 2.1. Okay, so in this, before going to the second iteration, it is not necessary find f of x1. Okay, you require only x1. You have got x1, so with the help of x1, you find x2. Is it clear what I am saying? So solve for x2 and tell me the answer. Okay, I want to erase this, but it is not putting. Okay. Okay, let it be, but you write correctly. Fine. Okay, x1 is clear. Then whether anybody solved for x2? So we write it at second approximation. So write the formula for x2, x1 minus f of x1, then x1. Okay, so again you require f of x1 also, no? Yeah, you require.
2.07, ma'am.
Okay, so let me find here f of x1. F of x1 is f of 2.1. So what is this? 2.1, the whole cube minus 2 into 2.1 minus 5. Okay, because what is the equation? X1 is 5. And the answer, how much you got?
2.07.
Okay, f of x1. 2 point.
Ma'am, 0.06.
0.061, ma'am.
It's not 2.1, it's a
Tell me correct.
0.061, ma'am.
0.61.
Yes, ma'am. 0.061.
Okay, if it is 0.061, then fine. Then again, f of x1 as 0.061. Then what will be f dash of x1? for f dash of x1, what is f of x? F dash of x? F dash of x is, remember this equation will not change once you find the derivative. In this equation, you are going to substitute the term. So 3 into
11.23.
what x1? What is your x1 point? Answer 2.1. No? So it is 2.1 square. Okay, because the equation is 3x square minus 2. 3 into 2.1 the square minus 2. And how much is the answer?
11.23.
11.23.
11.23. Okay, you can find the terms separately like this and then substitute in the formula. What is x1? 2.1. So x2 equals to 2.1 minus f of x1. How much you said? 0.061 divided by f dash of x1 is 11.23. Then calculate the answer and tell.
2.0946.
2.0946. Okay, correct. What was x1? 2.1. So whether you got the answer correct to 3 decimals? No. So you have to go for x3, third approximation. Okay, so write down third approximation. What is it given by x3 is equals to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. Fine. Then at the side you can find, write the equation here. F of x is what? X cube minus 2x minus 5. Okay. Therefore, what will be f of x2? Can anybody calculate and tell me?
0.0005.
Okay. So take the value 6 cube minus 2 into 2.0946 minus 5. And
0.00.
okay, what is the answer? 0.
0.0005.
0.005.
4 or 5?
5.
5 man.
4, 5. Okay. What is the derivative of the function? 3x square minus 2, no? Okay. So find f dash of x2 now. 3 into x2 means how much? 2.0946 minus 2. And find the answer.
11.16.
11.1620.
11.1620, ma'am. 20.
0. So in the LHS you substitute x3 is equals to x2 2.0946 minus f of x2. How much you got? 0.00045 divided by 11.1620 and check what is the answer.
2.0945. 2.0945.
2.945.
Only 4, 5, or you got any decimal after
Ma'am,
that?
4, 6 it will come. That it is not 0.0045. It is 0.0005 only.
Okay, 5 at last.
Yes, ma'am. 5 will come.
That is 5. If I delete this 4 and keep only 5, and what is the answer you are getting at this point? 2.0.
2.0946. Same will get.
4, 6. Okay. So then what was our x2 is 2.0946. X3 is also 2.0946. So you got the answer at about 3 decimal places. Actually, it is 2.094. 2.04. Correct up to 3 decimal places is this. Okay. Since you are getting both the answers correct as 1.0946, you can just approximate this 46 as 2.09, 2.0. This last two digits I have rounded it to 5. Okay. Therefore, this is the required. If you keep like this also, it is fine. Okay. Don't get tensed. You can keep like this also. Is the required real root. Okay, all have done the calculation, whether all got the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any doubt? Okay, go for next example. Second one. Find the real root of the equation x cube x squared plus 3x plus 4 equals to 0 by performing two iterations. Okay, here number of iterations is mentioned, so you perform only two iterations. So consider in the solution, what is the function? Let f of x is equals to x squared plus 3x plus 4. Then how to locate the root now? How to locate the root? F of 0, you find the answer at 0, 1. No, at 0 it is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 4. So it is equals to 4. Then add f of 1 cube is 1 plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 plus 4. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7, 8, 9 you will get. Okay. So what will be f of 2? Tell me. 2 cube is 8 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 3 is 6 plus 4. 6 and 4 is 10, 10, 18, 22. So what is the observation? All are greater than 0, no? Means all are positive. Then how you locate the root if you get all continuously positive values only? You should get one positive value and one negative value, no? Do you have any idea? Equation like this?
Ma'am, f of -1.
If we take f of negative numbers, ma'am.
Yeah.
Number.
Exactly. So, as we know, we take the x value is 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. For this, if you get all positive value, so f of 0 at least it will remain same only. Then, if you are getting all positive value, try for x minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So, next, what you will find? Find f of minus 1. Find f of minus 1. Minus 1 the cube is minus 1 only. Minus 1 the square is plus 1. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 4. Plus 1 minus 1 goes, and then what you are getting, this is also you are getting positive only. Okay. Then go for, at least since it is a smaller number, go for minus 2. Minus 2 cube. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 is 4. Then is minus 2 into 3 is minus 6 plus 4. Okay, 4 and 4 is 8 plus 8 minus 8 will go. And what is the answer? Is it minus 6?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 6.
So minus 6 is less than 0. So tell me now where your root will lie.
Between -1 and -2.
Okay.
Minus 2 and minus 1.
-2 and
Okay,
minus.
so don't take don't take any positive and any negative value. You have to take two consecutive, one by one. Next one. Okay. Previous one and the next one. Two consecutive values. These are consecutive values. For the consecutive values only you should consider the root. Therefore, what you write? F of minus 1 is equals to 1 and f of minus 2 is equals to minus 6. Therefore, f of minus 1 into f of minus 2 will be what? 1 into minus 6, which is equals to minus 0. Therefore, the root will lies between, write down. Therefore, the root lies between -1, -2. So, which value is closer to 0?
1.
Hmm.
F of -1.
Okay. So, f of minus is 1. Okay. What you are checking this value? Okay. This value at f of minus 1, the answer is plus 1. Clear? Plus 1 is closer than minus 6. Okay. Therefore, what is your conclusion? The root lies in NBD of what? Neighborhood of?
-1.
Okay, neighborhood of minus 1. Therefore, what you consider? Let x not equals to minus 1. Okay. Is the example clear, all of you?
And can I ask,
Yeah.
when the root lies between -1 to 2, it should be -1 to -2, no, ma'am?
Okay, make it minus 2. Minus 2 you make it. Then, can you, with x1 I have given, what is your f of x? X cube plus how much? X square plus 3x plus 4. Then I will give you the derivative. What is derivative of the function?
3x square
Okay. Derivative of x cube is 3 x square
square
plus
plus
x square derivative is 2x
plus 3.
plus 3x derivative is 3. Okay, this will remain fixed f dash of x for any of the iteration you go. So with these values, will you try x1 and x2? Tell me the answers. Take the time and please tell me the first iteration and second iteration answers.
Ma'am, x1 is minus 1.25.
Hello.
Aishwarya, answer for the first iteration. Aishwarya. Aishwarya Salgekar is here. Anisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer for the first iteration. How much answer did you get for x1? Have you solved or no? Understood the method?
Ma'am, there's network problem here, ma'am, so I didn't get the question, ma'am.
What?
There's network problem here, ma'am.
Okay, what happened? This problem, huh? Second one or first one? What are you asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Be clear. What happened in the first one? Yes? Anisha, what happened? Speak out. Anupama, keep your mics on whenever I'm telling you to speak and get your doubts cleared. Okay, you will tell the half where nothing is clear. Anupama is here? Anupama, are you there? What is this? Rachana is there? Anybody, at least one of you who have solved for x1. What is x1?
X1 is
minus
minus
1.125.
Minus 1.25. Okay. And what is
25.
x2?
minus 1.22.
Minus 1.52.
1.5.
Minus 1.5.
And minus 1.
Huh? My answer is minus 1.229. What is your answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus
1.22.
1.2. Yes, minus 1.22.
Okay, so this is a first iteration and this is a second iteration. Is it clear? Therefore, you can approximate the root x as nearly equals to minus 1.223. Okay, so is the example clear? Okay, whom I'm asking the question, they're not replying, so I'll consider them as absent. Okay, Aishwarya absent for the class. If no reply, then absent.
No, ma'am, I'm there.
This is Aishwarya only.
Yes, ma'am.
You were calculating, huh? Okay. What about Anisha? You said some doubt and you were not clear about that. What about doubt? Okay. Fine. Then consider the next example. Example. There is no doubt. Find the real root of the equation x into e raised to x minus 2 equals to 0. Correct to 3 decimal places. Correct to 3 decimals. So in the solution, let us consider f of x equals to what? X into e raised to x minus 2. Whether you can, yeah?
There is a limit.
Basic mechanical classes there now, ma.
Hey, it's time up. I have written
Yes.
this third example. Write this third example as homework. Continue in the next class. Okay, fine. Take care then.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.